Sadie. Sadie. So, we're back with another vlog. Today, we're going to show you what it's like living in a place that snows. Tell them what we're doing right now.
Well, I'm eating a muffin currently, but we're actually going cross-country skiing with these ugly shoes.
Yeah, so we have a little trail. We live in the city, but we have a little trail behind our house that's like on a river, and it's really cute. So we're gonna go try to cross-country ski, but it's not like groomed or anything, so...
Groomed?
These shoes are cross-country ski boots, so they're not that cute.
No, they're cute.
Yeah, well, these snow pants are from Burton, so I'm a real boarder. This shirt is really cozy, and I got it from Florida. Bralette from Erie, really cute. Hat from Gong Show from Gracie. And then this jacket from my mom, and it's also Burton.
No, bro. My hat's from my hockey team. Hats from my hockey team. Shoes are cross-country skis. Snow pants are Grace's. Sweatpants are Grace's. Leggings are mine from Lululemon. Socks are from, I don't know.
Probably Boom.
Jackets from my team.
Yeah, because we have big news. Amber made Team Ontario for field hockey.
Yeah, check it out.
So she has Ontario on the back, and she's got like supporting the Canada flag, and then she's got the whole symbol here. So she's supposed to be in the tournament this weekend, but the weather is bad because we live in Canada.
That's the whole reason why I'm here.
So now she's here, and we're making the best of it, even though it kind of sucked.
I was in Toronto yesterday, 40 minutes away from the hotel, which is going to be near York University, I think. And then they said it was canceled, so I turned around and came to the hockey arena for my game because I wouldn't be missing it, and Grace got my stuff from my house. Couldn't have done it without
Looked like I was
you.
breaking into her house.
Just in a normal neighborhood.
Porch.
Hi guys, we're back with an update. So we barely traveled down a little road just to get down here, and Amber's fallen how many times, Amber?
Oh, about 5 times.
Just about 5. So I'm gonna video some for Great Falls just to see, and we'll keep you updated.
I fall about every 30 seconds, and it's pretty funny.
Comment down below if you know how to turn a corner across country skiing. Amber's taking off.
Go, Amber. First fall.
Okay, follow me now.
I'm gonna pee.
Okay. Listen. Hear that? That's an aspen. That's an aspen.
Stop.
You can tell it's an aspen tree because of the way it is.
I have to pee.
The way it moves shows you it's in danger. Well, listen.
Whoa.
Definitely a willow. You
Why?
can tell by all the leaves up there. Anyways, nature's pretty neat.
There's
and
no leaves up there.
Nature's pretty neat. I'm just trying to teach you a little bit about nature so that everyone can know how neat it is. This just in. It's snowing now. So, as you know, in the winter there's a little less wildlife outside and not as much nature that we can see. So we're going to try to get some. So this is how you do it. Come on. Pick up some food. This one wants to stay there. Here, kitty kitty. Here, kitty kitty. Oh, we got one! We got one! Yeah! Meow.
That's how you get your
And
meal.
that's how you get some nature to eat for dinner. Boom. Thanks for watching. Hello guys. So I found this on the side and I think it's an aspen. What do you freaking tell?
Welcome back to another epi. So today we're doing a little Jaffa hike, but it's gonna be called...
What is that?
You know what? We're gonna follow the tracks to see if we can find one and see where they're making those sounds.
Serious question, what is that animal we hear? Should we go investigate?
Let's do it.
All right, we've been out here for weeks now, and as you can tell, it's pretty...
Guys, actually look.
Oh look, there's deer. This is real nature here. As you can see, they are running away from us. We are now going to go spear fishing because we are hungry for food. As you can see, we found a pond. This could be our one chance at survival.
No, Grace, that's good.
Oh, the fish is flying.
4. Look, there he is. We gotta get him.
Look at how cold we are. We're starting to get flushed. I look black. Sadie's working on her golf swing.
Yeah, I'm too cool. Don't try to talk to me. Did all in all a successful day on the course. We hit some slopes, ate some deer, ate some fish.
You know what? It was beautiful out there. My highlight might have been seeing the deer because it's just so pretty seeing natural wilderness out there.
Make some hot cocoa, have a skate before a real ice hockey game tonight.
This is a full-on Canadian day, is all I have to say.
Might
We
as
had
well get
bacon
some-
for breakfast.
Do you have any Timmy's hot chocolate?
We have like fancy hot chocolate, like caramel and stuff.
Well,
We just got back to the house. Amber realized she forgot her mitten. It dropped on our way back. It's really cold, so she has to go get it. Got him! Run, girl! Woo! Woo!
back decided not to go outside because Grace doesn't want to.
Oh my god. I said I would, but they wanted to go all the way back to the forest, and I said no.
Me and Sadie are cuddling right now.
What? Hi.
Hey. So thanks for watching. We'll probably be back though.
Tell us if you like our nature info.
Nature.
Hopefully you learned something.
I'm sure you did.